last summer I made this, wait, my neighbor's dog is barking. So last summer I made this pizza oven, so today I'm going to see if I can retool it. But it's winter time. So that's what we're looking at now. And what I want to do is try and make it into a different kind of an oven. So I'm going to work on that. So we're kind of on what I would call phase 2 of this process. So I've taken the original oven that I built, and I'm going to repurpose it. I'm going to try and make a chamber where I can hold the fire in the winter. The cement sidewalk block cracked over the summer, which is not a surprise. I kind of thought so. They're not worth much. One of the things, I have some in the yard here, but they're all frozen into the ground, so I'm not going to use those. So what I'm going to do is put down a metal reinforcing base and then put the sidewalk block back on top, and that'll hold it. I mean, it's good enough for what I'm up to. Okay, I didn't like how the one sat on top, so I'm trying a different configuration here. So we still got a pretty good firebox. Then it depends how those pieces go on the top, because that would give me, I could have wood burning in these areas. Maybe not quite as wide as I want, but I can always widen that out a little bit. And then I have to figure out a door here. So I think I'll have some of these bricks come out. Okay, hi there. So now I got this great idea. I want to put a chimney. So what I've got is some leftover eavesdropping I used last summer. It's aluminum, but hopefully our fire doesn't get hot enough to melt the aluminum. But I need a base for that. So I seem to have a lot of leftover aluminum trim for the garage. We bought this house a few years ago, and I'm going to start cutting that up and preparing it. Set some screws in. So we have a chimney, And yeah, you're going to have space in there, but I think we will work with it. There's some air holes or air pockets. But once we get burning, we get a cover for this. We'll see what kind of temperature we can maintain. Tomorrow's job. Let's see how that video turns out tomorrow.